Before you drop over $1,000 on a robot vacuum that's going to get stuck under your couch every day or leave your floors streaky and gross, stop and watch this first. I've been testing every major robot vacuum on the market, running them through pet hair nightmares, stubborn kitchen messes, and multi-level homes to see what actually delivers hands-free cleaning. And honestly, some of these robots will make you forget what manual vacuuming even feels like, while others are just expensive Roombas that can't handle basic obstacles. Today, I'm revealing the top 5 robot vacuums that actually work in real homes with real messes. I've dropped updated links with the best pricing in the description below. Let's dive in and transform your cleaning routine. Starting off at number 5, we have the Eufy Clean X10 Pro Omni Robot Vacuum Cleaner. And this all-in-one cleaning solution brings impressive automation and features at a competitive price point. Eufy has been steadily improving their robot vacuum lineup, and the X10 Pro Omni represents their push into premium territory with comprehensive self-maintenance capabilities. The cleaning performance combines powerful vacuuming with effective mopping in one device. The 8,000 Pascal suction power tackles everything from fine dust to larger debris on both hard floors and carpets. The dual rotating mop pads provide active scrubbing rather than just dragging wet cloths around. This actually cleans floors instead of just pushing dirt around. The mop pads automatically lift when carpets are detected, preventing wet carpets and allowing seamless transitions between floor types. The navigation uses advanced LiDAR mapping to create accurate floor plans and efficient cleaning paths. The obstacle avoidance works well with common household items, though it can occasionally struggle with very dark objects or low-profile obstacles. The Omni Station provides comprehensive automation that minimizes hands-on maintenance. The auto-empty function uses a large dustbin that can go weeks between emptying depending on your home size and dirt levels. The automatic mop washing cleans the mop pads with water after each cleaning session, preventing you from spreading dirty water around your home. The hot air drying function prevents mildew and odor that plague many robot mops. This actually works and keeps things fresh. The automatic water refilling and dirty water draining means the robot maintains optimal mopping performance without your intervention. The station design is relatively compact compared to some competitors, though it still requires dedicated floor space. The app provides comprehensive control with scheduling, room-specific cleaning, and no-go zones. This is perfect for busy households wanting automated cleaning, pet owners dealing with daily messes, or anyone who wants to minimize manual vacuum maintenance. The Eufy Clean X10 Pro Omni proves that comprehensive robot vacuum features are becoming more accessible at competitive price points. Coming in at number 4, we have the Roborock QV35S Robot Vacuum and Mop. And this mid-range offering from Roborock delivers their legendary reliability and performance without the premium price tag of their flagship models. Roborock has built a reputation for creating some of the best robot vacuums available, and the QV35S showcases their ability to deliver quality across different price tiers. The dual functionality provides effective cleaning for both vacuuming and mopping tasks. The 5,500 Pascal suction power handles everyday dirt, dust, and pet hair effectively on both carpets and hard floors. The mopping system uses a sonic vibration module that scrubs at high frequency, making this more effective than basic dragging mops. The water flow is electronically controlled for consistent mopping across different floor types. The brush system uses a rubber main brush that resists hair tangles, a huge advantage for homes with pets or long-haired residents. The navigation is precise with LiDAR mapping, creating detailed floor plans that learn your home layout. The multi-floor mapping remembers different levels, perfect for homes with stairs. The smart features and reliability make this practical for daily use. The app experience is excellent with intuitive controls, detailed cleaning maps, and comprehensive customization options. The room-specific cleaning lets you target individual rooms or areas on demand. The scheduled cleaning works reliably with the robot handling regular maintenance automatically. The battery life handles most homes on a single charge with automatic recharge and resume for larger spaces. The maintenance is straightforward with easily accessible components for cleaning and replacement. The build quality is solid with durable construction that should last years of regular use. The noise level is reasonable, not silent, but not disruptively loud either. The carpet detection automatically increases suction on carpets and rugs. This is perfect for homes with mixed flooring, pet owners who need reliable daily cleaning, or anyone wanting Roborock quality at a more accessible price. The Roborock QV35S proves that you don't need the most expensive model to get excellent robot vacuum performance when the fundamentals are executed well. Taking the number 3 spot is the TP-Link Topo RV30 Max Plus Robot Vacuum and Mop, and this budget-friendly option delivers surprising capability and features that punch above its price class. TP-Link is known for reliable smart home products, and their entry into robot vacuums brings that same value proposition to automated floor cleaning. The performance and features exceed expectations for the price point. The 5,300 Pascal suction provides strong cleaning power that handles most household messes effectively. The 2-in-1 vacuum and mop functionality covers both hard floors and carpets in one device. The mopping system is basic but functional with electronically controlled water flow. The LiDAR navigation creates accurate maps and efficient cleaning paths without random wandering. The obstacle avoidance works reasonably well with larger objects, though it can struggle with very small items like cables. The brush system is adequate with a combination of side brushes and main roller handling dirt pickup. The dustbin capacity is decent for daily cleaning in average-sized homes. The value proposition and smart features make this compelling for budget-conscious buyers. The Auto Empty base station is included at this price point, which is impressive value. Many competitors charge extra for this feature or don't offer it at all. The Auto Empty function means you can go weeks without touching the dustbin. The app integration is solid with scheduling, room selection, and basic customization. The TP-Link ecosystem integration works well if you have other TP-Link smart home devices. The battery life handles typical homes on a single charge. The maintenance is straightforward with accessible components. The noise level is moderate, louder than premium models but acceptable. The Carpet Boost feature increases suction automatically on carpets. At the budget price point of around $300 to $400, varies with sales. This represents excellent value for automated cleaning with auto-empty convenience. This is perfect for first-time robot vacuum buyers wanting to test the category, budget-conscious households needing basic automation, or apartment dwellers with smaller spaces. The TP-Link Topo RV30 Max Plus proves that capable robot vacuums with useful features like auto-empty are becoming accessible at price points that make them viable for more households. Number 2 goes to the iRobot Roomba J7 Plus self-emptying robot vacuum, and this AI-powered robot brings iRobot's decades of experience and advanced obstacle avoidance to create one of the smartest robot vacuums available. iRobot essentially invented the robot vacuum category with the original Roomba, and the J7 Plus represents their latest evolution with AI-driven intelligence that actually works in real-world homes. The obstacle avoidance and AI capabilities set this apart from simpler robot vacuums. The Precision Vision navigation uses a front-facing camera combined with AI to identify and avoid obstacles in real time. This works impressively well with common problem objects that trip up other robots. The J7 Plus reliably avoids cables, charging cords, pet waste, shoes, socks, and other floor clutter. The pet waste avoidance is guaranteed by iRobot. If it hits pet waste, they'll replace the robot, showing their confidence in the technology. The learning capability means the robot gets smarter over time, learning your home layout and adapting cleaning patterns. The ability to identify objects also enables features like sending photos of obstacles to your phone, letting you know what it encountered during cleaning. The cleaning performance and ecosystem deliver reliable results. The 3-stage cleaning system uses dual multi-surface rubber brushes that resist tangles, excellent for pet hair and human hair. The suction power adjusts automatically based on floor type with Carpet Boost increasing power on rugs. The edge-sweeping brush gets into corners effectively. The Imprint Smart Mapping learns your home and allows room-specific cleaning. The Clean Base Auto Empty Dock holds 60 days worth of dirt in an enclosed bag, eliminating daily dustbin emptying. The iRobot Home app is mature and feature-rich with comprehensive scheduling and customization. The voice assistant integration with Alexa and Google Assistant works seamlessly. The Genius 4.0 Home Intelligence provides advanced features like seasonal suggestions and favorites cleaning routines. The build quality is excellent with robust construction designed for years of use. The customer support and warranty from iRobot are among the best in the industry. At around $600 to $800 depending on sales, the J7 Plus is premium pricing but delivers premium performance and intelligence. The obstacle avoidance alone justifies the cost for many households tired of robot vacuums getting stuck. This is perfect for pet owners who need reliable pet waste avoidance, busy professionals who want truly hands-off cleaning, or households with floor clutter that trips up simpler robots. The iRobot Roomba J7 Plus proves that advanced AI and obstacle avoidance can meaningfully improve robot vacuum usability and reliability in real-world conditions. And taking the crown at number 1, we have the Roborock Q Revo Robot Vacuum with multifunctional dock, and this is simply the best overall robot vacuum for most people in 2025. Roborock has taken their years of experience creating premium robot vacuums and distilled the best features into a package that delivers flagship performance at a price that makes sense for regular households. The Q Revo represents the sweet spot of features, performance, and value. The cleaning performance is outstanding across both vacuuming and mopping tasks. The 5,500 Pascal suction power provides strong cleaning capability that handles everything from fine dust to pet hair to larger debris on both hard floors and carpets. The dual rotating mop pads spin at high speed to actively scrub floors rather than just dragging wet cloths. This provides genuine mopping that removes stuck-on stains and spills. The mop pads automatically lift when carpets are detected with 7mm lift height that reliably prevents wet carpets. The main brush is a single rubber brush design that strongly resists hair tangles, a game changer for homes with pets or long hair. The side brush sweeps debris from edges and corners effectively. The navigation uses reactive AI 2.0 obstacle avoidance with structured light and AI recognition that reliably identifies and avoids common obstacles like cables, shoes, and pet items. The multifunctional dock is where the Q Revo really shows its value. The auto-empty function uses a 2.5-liter dust bag that lasts up to 7 weeks between changes for typical homes. The automatic mop washing uses clean water to thoroughly wash the mop pads after each cleaning session. This actually works and prevents dirty water problems. The mop drying function uses warm air to dry the mops, preventing mildew and odors that plague robot mops without drying. The automatic water refilling and dirty water draining means the robot maintains optimal mopping performance autonomously. The dock performs self-cleaning routines to maintain hygiene. The tank sizes are generous, minimizing refill frequency even in larger homes. The smart features and reliability complete the excellent package. The PreciSense LiDAR navigation creates incredibly detailed 3D maps with precise room detection and furniture recognition. The multi-level mapping handles complex homes with multiple floors effortlessly, remembering layouts and settings for each level. The app experience is polished with intuitive controls, comprehensive scheduling options, and useful features like selecting room cleaning order and setting room-specific suction and mopping intensity. The obstacle avoidance works reliably in real-world testing with varied household items. The carpet detection and automatic suction adjustment work flawlessly. The quiet operation for the power level. The Q Revo is noticeably quieter than many competitors with similar suction power. The maintenance is straightforward with easily accessible components. The brush system resists tangles effectively, reducing cleaning frequency. The filters are washable and affordable to replace. The sensors remain clean with the self-maintenance routines. The build quality is excellent with durable materials and precision engineering throughout. The reliability is proven with Roborock's reputation for creating robots that work consistently for years. The customer support is responsive with comprehensive documentation and helpful troubleshooting. At around $500 to $700 depending on sales and promotions, the Q Revo represents incredible value. You're getting features and performance that match robots costing $1,000 plus from other brands. The multifunctional dock alone often costs $300 to $500 as an add-on for other systems. Yet it's included here. The combination of strong vacuuming, effective mopping, comprehensive automation, and reliable obstacle avoidance makes this a complete cleaning solution. This is perfect for households wanting comprehensive automated cleaning, pet owners who need strong suction and tangle-free brushes, busy professionals who value hands-off operation, families with kids creating daily messes, or anyone who wants flagship robot vacuum features without paying flagship prices. The Roborock Q Revo proves that the best robot vacuum doesn't have to be the most expensive one. Sometimes the sweet spot of features, performance, and value delivers the best overall experience for real-world use. If you want one robot vacuum that does everything well without compromise or excessive cost, this is the obvious choice.